Food I ate in Honolulu, Hawaii. Malasadas. 9 out of 10. Shrimp scampi plate. 8 out of 10. Kind local let us grab a few bananas from a tree he cut down. Went on a hike to a beautiful waterfall. Our million Dole Whip. Pizza that was okay. Had to get a fresh coconut. 10 out of 10. Noi Thai cuisine. 9.5 out of. Banana soft serve from Honolulu Waikiki Beach. 4-course meal at Hyatt Regency Waikiki Beach Hotel. Course 2. Disgusting. Course 3. Steak and veggies. 7.5 out of 10. Pumpkin cheesecake and apple pie. 10 out of 10.